Blister. A small bubble on the skin filled with fluid. Her new shoes gave her a blister on her heel. I got a blister on my finger after falling hot water. Stuffy nose or blocked nose. A stuffy nose means your nose is blocked or congested, making it hard to breathe through it. I woke up with a stuffy nose and a sore throat today. She had a blocked nose, which is why she couldn't smell anything. Bruise. A dark mark on the skin caused by a hit or injury. I have got a nasty bruise on my face. Show me your bruise of leg. Chronic pain. Pain that lasts for a long time, usually for months or years, and doesn't go away easily. I take a medicine for chronic pain in my back. I can't sit long for my chronic pain. Constipation. A condition in which a person has difficulty passing stool, poop. I had constipation and I felt heavy in my stomach. She is suffering from constipation right now. Diarrhea. A condition in which a person passes loose or watery poop many times a day. Do you have diarrhea? She is going to bathroom for diarrhea. Faint. To lose consciousness for a short time. I fainted on the road yesterday. I have never fainted from the heat. Fatigue. Extreme tiredness or exhaustion caused by work, stress, or lack of rest. He suffers from chronic fatigue. I am feeling fatigued today. Flu, influenza. A common viral illness that causes fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, and tiredness. I had a flu during your birthday. I want to stay home because of my flu. Headache. Pain or discomfort in the head. I am feeling a bit headache right now. I don't like the music. It gives me a headache. Insomnia. The condition of not being able to sleep, or having difficulty falling or staying asleep. I have been suffering from insomnia since last year. I didn't sleep last night for insomnia. Migraine. A strong headache that often causes pain on one side of the head. I am starting to get a migraine. Do you suffer from migraines? Nausea. A feeling of sickness in the stomach that makes you feel like you are going to vomit. I feel nauseous when flying on a plane. I felt a bit of nausea at the party yesterday. Obesity. Having too much body fat. Obesity is bad for human body. She is getting obesity day by day. Runny nose. Liquid, mucus, is coming out of your nose, usually because of a cold, allergy, or infection. The child has a runny nose and a slight cough. I have a runny nose today. Sore throat. Pain, dryness, or irritation in the throat, especially when you swallow. I can't drink water, I have a sore throat. I had a sore throat yesterday. Sprain. To injure a joint, like the ankle, wrist, or knee, by twisting it suddenly. I fell and sprained my ankle during basketball practice. It's only a sprain, don't worry. Stiff neck. Pain or tightness in the neck that makes it hard to move your head. I can't see it for my stiff neck. I woke up a stiff neck in the morning. Swelling. Swelling is the enlargement of organs, skin, or other body parts. The swelling is getting worse after the surgery. There is a swelling on your knee. Toothache. Pain or discomfort in or around a tooth. I've never had toothache. She can't chew her food for a terrible toothache. Ulcer. A sore or open wound inside or outside the body that does not heal easily. He has 2 ulcers in his stomach. Because I have ulcer in my mouth, I can't eat anything.